If you're wondering how to automate invoice tracking in Monday.com, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set it up quickly and easily so you can streamline your accounting tasks. Whether you're already using Monday.com or considering it, stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing some tools that might actually do the job better and some exclusive deals you won't want to miss. First things first, let's get into how Monday.com handles invoice tracking automation. Monday.com has powerful workflows that you can customize to automate your invoice tracking. To start, you'll need to create a new board or select an existing one that's set up for invoice management. It's simple to get going, but there's a catch. Unless you're on a higher tier plan, some automation features are locked. This can be a bummer if you're working on a tight budget. Next thing, let's talk about creating the actual automation for tracking invoices. Monday.com allows you to set up automations like, when a status changes to paid, notify the finance team. You can also set up reminders, such as send an email reminder when the invoice due date is approaching, which really helps avoid missed payments. This helps ensure you stay on top of everything without needing to check manually. The fourth thing you'll want to do is link your invoices to other boards. Monday.com has integrations with a lot of popular accounting software, so you can connect your invoice data directly with platforms like QuickBooks, Xero, or even Google Sheets if you're doing something simpler. This means no more double entering information, saving a lot of time. Next, let's touch on how reporting works in Monday.com. The platform offers some reporting features, but they can feel a bit limited when it comes to in-depth invoice tracking. For example, while you can create basic invoice reports, you might find that there's a lack of customization for tracking overdue invoices or summarizing invoice status across multiple teams or departments. And here's the thing, while Monday.com can handle invoice tracking automation, it's not always the most intuitive when you get into the weeds of managing a large number of invoices. For small teams or simpler use cases, it can work fine, but when your needs grow, it might feel like you're hitting a wall with its more advanced features. The interface is great, but there are more specialized tools that can do this better. Now, while Monday.com does automate invoice tracking fairly well, if you're serious about streamlining your invoicing process with more precision, you might want to consider some alternatives. One such competitor is Zoho Invoice. It offers automation for recurring invoices, payment reminders, and integrates seamlessly with various accounting systems. It's super easy to set up and has a free plan for smaller businesses, which could be a great option if you're just starting. For the most part, Zoho Invoice is much more specialized in tracking payments and generating reports, unlike Monday.com, which is more of a general project management tool. So if invoice tracking is your primary goal, Zoho Invoice could give you a more focused solution. Plus, it offers a much deeper reporting system and more granular controls for payment tracking. Now, here's the kicker. If you're thinking about jumping into Monday.com or even exploring Zoho Invoice, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can access an extended free trial and get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. But that's not all. If you're looking for a more robust solution for invoice tracking, I've added some other great alternatives to the list, all with free trials as well, so you can try them out and see which works best for your needs. So, check out the links below to grab the best offers, and don't forget to explore some of the alternatives we've mentioned.